How is this gonna come up? Yeah, I caught the Sephora sale fever and I got me some items, and of course I'm also a Rouge member, so like that I did get a reasonable percentage off of these items. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you what's in my Sephora bag. Let's get into it. So the first item up is this body shimmer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I ran out of this, so I just got a new one. I've used it before. I really love it. It's finished. Yeah, literally. So it's so good. I'm gonna shake that up. I'm just gonna spray it over here so you guys see the juice. Do you see what I mean? Love it. The next item is this Morph Chick Trues. So we have the Wine and Dine Rich Berry. I do have this also, but I decided to get this other color because I have the pink one. I have that on right now. This is it right here. This is the one I used on my face, and we're going to check this. This is more like a purple base, I think. Yeah, this looks so good. So I have like a powder blush right here. This is the powder blush. This is like a shimmer, like a more shiny version, and this is like a cream base blush. So you have like 3 options to work with. So I'm gonna dab a little this. Let's just see what that color is like. Ooh, guys, I think I put a little too much. Let's turn it down. So I'm gonna put just a little on this side. Okay, it's not like I put a little too much. It is just so pigmented, guys. Ah, damn, love it. Okay, I look like a clown. But yeah, we have Murphy. Good. Now I need to adjust this. I'm trying to dab that down. I love a good pigmented blush, but I think I put way too much. Yeah, I think I can work with this now. It's not too bad. It's still a little bit. Just know it's really pigmented. And that's that. Up next, we have Fenty Beauty. This is just a refill. The Pro Filter with foundation. That's what we have here. I got a different shade, but I think this might be too light for me because this is my actual color. I use 390, but this is 330. So I think this is a little bit too light. Might return, I don't know. But yeah, that's that. And we have Too Faced right here in the color Sand. This is Sand. Yeah, I also think this might be too light for me. Switch that. Okay, it's not too bad, but I feel like I might stick to the old one that I have because I use the Warm Sand. This is for my highlight, by the way. So I also got the Warm Sand, and this is the actual shade that I use, and I'm gonna swatch a little bit of that right beside the sand. So we have Sand and Warm Sand, but this is my shade, so I use this one. Yep. Next, I got this pencil, which I already opened. So I do have a pencil that I use, but it's from a Nigerian brand. Where are you? And it's really short right now, so I'm like, I need a replacement. This is the one that I got. I got this Huda Beauty lip contour stain, and I'm loving it already. That's what I have on right now, and it's super similar to this one. It's a little bit on the darker side, but I do not mind because I do like my my lip liner dark, or a little bit dark, not like black, but yeah, you get what I mean. So, or you don't, but this is what the applicator looks like. It's really cute. It's a little bit wet, so you need to be very careful when you're using. But Huda Beauty, you end with this one, and this is rich brown. Love it. And to the next one. Also, this is like a restock because I'm out of my Fenty gloss. Yeah, I finished the whole bottle, so I got 2 this time. So this is the Fenty Glow Hit color 3. I think I got 2 of this. Yeah, the color feels a little bit brownish because I have another one here that is, yeah, this is the one I have on. This is Fussy Heat. This is my favorite, by the way. I love this one. But I think, oh yeah, I ran out of the Fussy Heat. This is the Fussy Heat. So I really love this one. And then I got this other color. So, ooh, It's just a very rich baby pink, or what pink should we call this? Yeah, it's so delicious. I'm gonna hold both together so you see what I mean. This is what they both look like, right? So you can see one is a little bit pinkish and the other one is more on the brown side. But I love me Fenty. Yeah. I have tried a couple products from Milk. I have the primer and the hydro grip, and they're both mwah, bust down. Love them. So I just got this because I'm not really a bronzer girl, but I want to get into it. Let's see how that works. So I got this Blaze, and I'm gonna be using it later on to do my makeup. But yeah, let's get into what this looks like. It's really tiny. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this, but yeah, I want to try it out. So I didn't go for the extremely big size. Oh, I ruined it. Oh my god, I ruined it. No freaking way. This is twist off. Oh no. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but yeah, that's Milk. I should read the instructions next time, but yeah, that's that. Okay. Have just two more products. So I got two items from Sephora itself. This is the concealer. I've heard a lot about the concealer, and so I got one for myself. I've used it before, but on clients because I'm a makeup artist. Yes, by the way, professional makeup artist. So yeah, book your appointment or whatever. But I got this for myself. I want to try it and see how it works on my skin. And then I got me the matte powder foundation. This is color 28.6Y. That's what we have here. I am currently using the Maybelline Super Stay powder foundation, but I want to try new products. So we're going for Sephora, and I'm gonna be using this. How is this gonna come up? I don't know if this is my color, but let's see. Just a little. I already have makeup on, so. But it does feel like this is going to be a good color for me. I think it's a good color. Yes. Yes. Immediately, yes. I think this is going to be good. It's going to be so good. We have the concealer here, Best Skin Ever, in color 23N. That's the one I got. Just going to swatch it on my hand. Get that out. Oh my god, makeup packaging is just, we get it. We get it. Ouch. Oh, finally we got it out. So, ooh, I think this is a little bit too dark. Ooh, yeah, that's a little bit too dark. I think I might have to, I don't know, I might have to get another shade. I really do need to go to the store. I always avoid the Sephora store because I keep going above my budget. So I always like to shop online and just go in and pick up because it's easy, breezy, peasy, right? So that's all I have in my bag. Let me know which one of these products you already have, you've tried before, or you're gonna be getting. Of course, the sale is probably over now, but yeah, you get to go ahead and shop. You know what I mean? So yeah, bye.